Have you ever noticed how tired your eyes feel after long hours in front of a screen? Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this eye-carrying monitor light bar from Syrinx has honestly made such a difference in how my screen time feels. Instead of having harsh overhead lighting or a dim setup, this light gently lights up my desk area without creating glare on my screen, which really helps reduce eye strain during long work or editing sessions. I also love that it's dimmable and adjustable, so I can control the brightness depending on the time of day or what I'm working on. Whether I need something soft and warm or a brighter, more focused light, this monitor light definitely delivers. The design is super sleek too. It attaches so easily to the top of my monitor, so it doesn't take up any desk space, which keeps everything looking clean and minimal. And it's especially helpful at night since it lights up my workspace without disturbing the rest of the room. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time on a computer, just like I do, and you want a more comfortable, eye-friendly setup, then this is what you need. Do your eyes a favor and get this computer monitor light bar now. And that's my point of view.